Hey, this is Lego Man 511 showing you how to build a Lego coffee maker. The pieces you'll need are one 1x2 thin brick, one coffee mug, one 1x2 slotted brick, thin, one 1x1 thick brick, and one stud. This is how I build it. You take the 1x2, set it down like that. And you take the 1x1, set it like that. Then you take the mug, set it like that. Then you take the stud, set it on top of the 1x1 brick. Finally, you take the slotted brick, set it like that, and you have a Lego coffee maker. This is Lego Man 511 signing out.